Welcome to our third video of WordPress tutorial for users. In this video we will show you how to install your WordPress theme. A WordPress theme is a collection of files that work together to produce a graphical interface, or design for your website. WordPress themes can provide much more control over the look and the presentation of the content on your website. You can use the pre-installed themes on your website themes. Or you can select and download a WordPress theme from the WordPress.org themes directory. Or you can upload custom-coded theme or paid purchased theme folder. From the WordPress administration panel, go to the Appearance menu, then select Themes. Select Add New. Either use the search or filter options to locate a theme you would like to use. Click on the preview link to preview the theme, or the Install Now link to upload the theme to your blog. Or use the Upload link in the top links row to upload a folder of a theme that you have previously downloaded to your computer. This theme looks nice. I will install it and activate it. This theme requires installing required plugins. We will get back to the plugins topic in the next video. So we will install and activate the required plugins. In this video, we have learned how to install the WordPress theme. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Watch next adding the website functionality and stepping into plugins. If you like our videos, like and share the video. And subscribe to our channel to watch our recent videos.